Well, I just purchased another garden bed. So let me see what my thoughts are about this one. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. Here's another garden bed that I purchased online. It's a Shopify website. But the thing that I like about this one here compared to my other one I did from my Amazon review is that this one was really easy to assemble, and it comes with this tool to tighten your nuts, and it was really, like I said, once again, really easy to assemble. And another thing I like about it is the gasket that you apply around here. And then all I have to do now is just cut off what I don't need and press it down. But if you're interested in this product, click on the link in the description box below. Here's another video and another review that I did about a raised garden bed. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. I just want to take time out to say thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.